Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a wealthfront user, you know how crucial it is to access your investment statements for tracking progress, tax purposes, or just staying organized. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to download your wealthfront statement. Don't worry, it's quick, easy, and perfect for beginners. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your wealthfront account. Head over to the wealthfront website on your computer or open the mobile app on your phone. Enter your email and password, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify. This keeps your data secure, which is super important for financial matters. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the Accounts section. This is usually right on the main page, showing an overview of your portfolios and investments. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you want statements for. Next, look for the Statements or Documents tab. It might be under a drop-down menu or a dedicated section. Wealthfront makes it straightforward. Here, you'll see a list of available statements, organized by date like monthly or quarterly summaries. Scroll through and pick the one you need. You can even select multiple if you're downloading several at once. To download, click on the statement to view it, then locate the download icon. It's often a downward arrow. Choose your preferred format, such as PDF, which is great for printing or sharing. The file will download to your device's default folder, so keep an eye on that. If you run into any hiccups, like the statement not loading, check your internet connection or ensure your account is up to date. Wealthfront's support team is helpful if you need extra assistance. And there you have it. Your Wealthfront statement is now ready to use. This process takes just a couple of minutes and empowers you to manage your finances like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on investing and tech. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.